Guys, good evening and welcome back to my channel. And this is us again, Furtado family
vlog.
Yes, and happy Sunday to everyone. And today we're gonna make a fruit salad because actually I was been craving with fruit salad. So today we're gonna show you on how to make our simple fruit salad. So please keep on watching. California Garden Fruit Cocktail. I'm using this one, and of course aside from this I have some fresh fruits, which are I have cut half of grapes. I have some small chopped apple, and I have also pomegranate. And for this I have some cheese. I'm using Kraft cheese, so I have chopped into small like this. And I'm gonna use some sweet corn in a tin, and of course some coconut gel, or how you call it, kaong. Yes, that's I'm using. And some cream. I'm using this kind of cream because this is what we have in the supermarket here in my place. And I have 4 of this, and some leftover condensed milk, like less than half. So I'm gonna put this also. So what we'll do, we have to mix all these ingredients chilled in the fridge. It is best to serve when it's cold. So now guys, let's start, and please keep on watching. So I have here, so we just have to put everything in.
Yeah, everything. Not even one single left, it should be there. Everything. What else, Mama? All of those now?
Actually, this is the first video since I was been okay, so it was been like I was out for 15 days. This is my first video now.
Me too, because we didn't do the video, so
yes.
This is my first time.
But I really want to eat fruit salad, so I decided to make it today.
Yes, because Mama's super hungry today.
So now next we have to put our condensed milk. Actually, I don't want to put so much condensed milk because our fruits are sweets already. So I don't want to be over sweet.
Yeah.
So
Mama don't like sweet.
This is just less than half of the condensed milk. So it's just about like 2 tablespoons of this. Then Bella will give a good mix. Please mix.
Okay. Put that.
So now we have to add our cheese.
Put the cheese, Mama.
And our apple.
Yeah, put apple.
And grapes.
And grapes. I really love grapes.
Okay. Gonna mix it. Mix it. You have to do it slowly, yeah? Because it's will
overflow.
And now we have to mix this also, our coconut gel.
Coconut gel.
Or kaong.
Yeah, or cocoon.
Kaong.
Kaong.
Bella will make a good mix. I like the red because it really give a nice color.
Because Mama likes red.
And then we have to put our pomegranate.
Red pomegranate, because Mama's favorite is red. Color is red.
This is fresh one.
Yep. Fresh. Where did we got this, Mama?
Supermarket.
Yeah, we bought in Mama's supermarket.
And
I'm gonna mix it, Mama, one at a time.
After that, we have to mix this is the fruit cocktail from the tin. So this we have to
put it
inside.
Yeah. Give it all the fruits, Mama, so it can become like jelly.
It's gonna be overflow actually.
Yep. So it's gonna add so many. But can I do it?
Just wait.
Yeah, put everything like that because Mama likes putting those on.
So actually it was too much, guys. So we just have to make two.
A different bowl.
Yes.
So Mama's gonna put these in a different bowl, which Mama already washed.
So we just have to properly mix.
I'll hold this, Mama. Please, open it.
Okay. Give a good mix, baby.
Okay.
And give a good mix to the other one.
You will get mixed to that one. I'm gonna mix to this.
Then we have some.
And but doing. Well, you know what's the other word for mixing?
Yes.
Additive. Sorry guys, somebody's here.
Bo.
Dada, somebody's here. Sorry guys, somebody came here.
So now, next to this, we're gonna put our corn.
Yep.
This is corn from the can. So, what's for Bella?
This is my banana.
And then we have to do agitate.
Additive. You know how we learn that word? It's in Ryan's word.
So we have to mix it properly. So now we're gonna put some walnuts.
Walnuts. I like walnuts.
So I have put some of it, not so much because I don't have much of walnuts. If you have roasted groundnuts, that's also nice. Roasted peanuts, sorry. That's also nice. This much only I have, so I just want to finish it off. Then
additive. Then you need to additive.
Give a good mix.
Oh,
and after this, now we just have to transfer in a container. Any container you have.
Yep. Since Mom have this container, Mama's put in this container.
Yes.
Mine will go to another one, right?
So this much.
And Mom will go to another container.
Then.
And there's my container. Okay.
Excuse me. Put one more.
And then you can do mine with this bowl.
Yes.
Because it's becoming less. Ready for mine.
It is nice if you have also young coconuts, but I don't have young coconuts, so anyway, that was fine.
Okay.
And just give me this.
But I want to do it.
No, I'll do it because it will spill it everywhere.
I won't. Okay, let me help you hold the bowl. That's enough, Mama? Because it's all full, Mama.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, Bella will close it.
Yep, I will. Because I'm the helper here.
Yes.
Look, Mama. Look at this, guys. It's like squashed in.
No, enough. Don't do that.
It's squashed. Seriously, look, guys. Squashed. That's squashed like full of bananas.
So this is perfect now. So now we have to chill this in the fridge before we have to check our the fruit salad. It has been chilling in the fridge for overnight actually. It was yesterday I made in the evening. So now let's have to check. I'm sure it's ready now to eat. So this is it. Now let's have a check. So I show you. So I have water bottle. So now, ta-da! It's perfect. Now it's ready. Just have to do the serving. Bella, make your phone slow down, please. She's watching actually a game on the phone. She's on the break right now. She's actually online class. So she's on the break. So yeah, she's doing something. Yum. So now, this is our fruit salad. It's looking so yummy. Very nice. Not also so sweet. So guys, this is how I made my simple fruit salad, and this is also very quick and easy to make, and it is perfect for any special occasions, and this is best to serve when it is cold. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't yet, so you will be notified every time I have a new uploads. And until next time, I'll see you until next time. Bye.
And subscribe.